the first day I met you, I noticed your style. Had that B-boy swagger, not one of the crowd. And you talked like you knew me, kept coming around, and I fell for you, yeah. And then as time kept going, I noticed some things that I love kept growing. Wanted to run away, cause the situations in the past that never really lied. We just had a hold of me. I hate to let go of the pain, let love rain down on me. It's you, help me open up my eyes, show me things I can never see. We can fight and we wake up, wanna see it when I wake up. I'm saying with you only, Chris. I need you to show me how our love should really be. I used to wonder where we're going and where I wanted to be. Sitting alone, all shook up, waiting for my destiny. Hearing songs on the radio, wishing that it happened to me. So then when you came in the picture, then I knew quickly that we could build something so strong. Back the best for the future, forget about what used to be. I need you here all life long. All the pain, let love rain down on me, you and me. So be open up my eyes, show me things I can never say. Fight and we wake up, wanna see you when I wake up. I'll stay with you only. I need you to show me how our love should really be. Cause I see the sunlight whenever we touch. All day and all night is never too much. Afraid of my feelings and falling too deep. But everybody's had this happen one time or another, and you need someone to set your heart free.